Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen X Jake. For today's video, we are going to do an unboxing review of the newest product from Mocreo, the H6 Pro Hub and the LW1 Water Leak Sensor Kit. But before we proceed, I would like to give thanks to our friends from Mocreo for sending us this sensor kit. Disclaimer, even if Mocreo sent me this kit to be reviewed, I will be 100% honest to whatever I think what are the good and the bad points of it. So I will be posting down below on the description box on the where you can buy this product if you are interested to, and if you have any other queries, questions later, please don't forget to comment down below. And also, click the thumbs up button if you like this video, and also please click the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's start the unboxing and review. Alright, let's check out this latest smart home safety device from Mocreo. This is the H6-LW1 Water Leak Sensor Kit. Here's the label showing exactly what's inside. Let's open it up and see what we get. Here's everything neatly laid out from the box. We've got a warranty card, the H6 Pro Hub, the L1 water leak sensor, and the user manual. Simple, clean, and everything you need to get started. The warranty card. So Mocreo provides a 1-year warranty, and you can extend that to 2 years just scanning the QR code and the following steps. That's always nice to see. Next, the user manual. It's actually very easy to understand and well laid out. This is something I really appreciate about Mocreo. They make their manuals very user-friendly. Setup instructions are clear and straightforward. Now, let's take a closer look at the LW1 water leak sensor. Here's the front, side, back, and bottom. The design is compact and solid. On the front, you'll find the side leak detection contacts. On the top, there's a clever design. The two metal points act as a sensor. Flipping to the back, there's a latch for the battery compartment. At the bottom, you'll notice rubber feet. These actually covers the screws. So you'll need to remove them to open the device. After removing the screws, we can access the internals. Inside, you can see the battery compartment and the board. And honestly, the build quality looks really solid. Even better, the design includes gaskets on the screw holes and the back cover, which helps prevent water from getting inside. That's a great touch. One small downside is that the included battery was dead in my unit, so I had to replace it. But aside from that, no issues. Once powered on, press the function button. You'll hear a beep and the notification is instantly sent to the phone. It works perfectly. Here are the key specs of the LW1 sensor. Model name is LW1. It uses the LoRa wireless protocol, the long range wireless protocol. Range up to 2,000 feet, even through 5+ walls. It's very strong. Dimensions 2.9 by 2.4 by 1 inch. Weight is 83 grams. Power, it uses two AAA batteries. Operating temperature is from 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Its IP rating is IP67. That long-range capability is especially impressive. Now let's set it up. Open the Mocreo app. Tap the plus icon. Select the LW1 sensor and just follow the instructions. Once connected, you can choose which hub to link it to. And this is something I really like. If you have multiple hubs, you can assign the sensor to specific ones. That's a very flexible and smart design. You can also set the location name, rename the room, customize the device name, and of course, monitor and notifications directly from the app. Setup is quick and beginner friendly. Now, let's take a look at the H6 Pro hub. The design is very clean and minimalist. It looks good from every angle. Here are the specs. Model name is H6 Pro. It uses the Wi-Fi, LoRa, and the Bluetooth Low Energy port connectivity. Size is compact and lightweight. Built-in night light. It has a 90 dB buzzer and it supports up to 100 sensors. Setup is similar to the LW1. Just select the hub in the app and follow the steps. One important tip, make sure to update to the latest firmware. Earlier versions had some bugs, but after updating, everything works smoothly. Now, let's see it in action. Once plugged in, the hub shows a breathing purple light, which means it's ready. The night light feature is also really nice. It automatically turns on in low light and turns off when it's bright. What I like is the smooth transitions. It's not abrupt. Now, for the leak test. The sensor immediately detects water. It starts beeping. And the hub also triggers an alarm. And yes, this is loud in real life. You also get instant notifications on your phone. Once the water is removed, the alarm stops. Now, testing the side detection. Again, instant response. This sensor detects leaks from the top, bottom, and sides, which is excellent for real-world scenarios. Here's where I installed mine. The hub blends perfectly into the wall, very minimal, not distracting at all. And the sensor is placed under the kitchen sink, right where the leaks are mostly likely to happen. So overall, this is a solid water leak detection system. You get extreme long range coverage with LoRa, dual alarms from both sensor and hub, real-time alerts even bypassing silent modes on iPhones, and a system that can scale across your entire home. It's reliable, well-built, and easy to use. Great job to Mocreo on this one. If you're looking for a dependable smart leak detection system, this is definitely worth considering. And I think that is it for my unboxing and review of the Mocreo H6 Pro LW1 water leak sensor kit. And if you have any other questions or queries about this sensor kit, just comment it down below. And I think that is it. See you on the next one. Bye. Peace.